with my car-free friends. Yeah, 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 yeah.
The Car-Free Diet Show.
Welcome to the Car-Free Diet Show. I'm your host, Car-Free Matt. I'm in no way related to Car Floor Matt, or Yoga Matt, or Tiamat, the mythical five-headed dragon of Babylonian legend. Which is silly, because the last dragon died at least 1,000 years ago. But let me introduce you to someone I am related to. This is Car-Free Merlin. Like me, he doesn't drive a car, although our methods are a little different. I usually take bike, bus, train, or foot. Merlin just usually sits on the couch, laying around all day while people do everything he wants them to do. Isn't that right? Isn't that right? You don't need a car, do you? No, you don't. You know why? Because you got a ball yarn. Who's got a ball yarn? You got a ball yarn. Here's our show.
I'm chasing sunsets to find you. 'Cause your feet are burning up the asphalt.
I'm here with Steve Yaffe, service manager from Arlington Transit. First off, I would like to thank you for being one of the biggest parts of the Car-Free Diet.
You're welcome. The pleasure's mine.
And mine too, thank you. Seriously, you guys have stops everywhere. I'm pretty sure you even have a stop in my basement. How did you know I needed a stop there?
Matt, we go to wherever people hang out.
So what's next? Are there any big plans for the immediate future?
We've already beefed up the Art 41 schedule, runs more often weekdays and weekends, runs late at night. And we also rerouted the Art 45 recently.
That's great, but you know what would be really great is if you had buses run underground. That way you wouldn't have to stop at intersections and you probably wouldn't get that much sun in your eyes.
It's called Metro Rail.
Oh yeah. But still, it would be a pretty cool idea. Well, thanks to my handy dandy phone app, which I downloaded at commuterpage.com/handheld, I can tell that my bus is about to come. So I appreciate your time, Steve. Thanks for coming on the show.
Glad to, thank you.
And now, the beauty of walking with me, Matthew Smythe. They say you can't judge a person until you've walked a mile in their shoes. That's why I'm wearing your shoes right now. That's our show, everybody. We learned a lot about all sorts of stuff, and now the car-free diet doesn't seem so tough. Even without a car, you can still go real fast. Just keep your figurative foot on the not literal gas. See you next time, everybody.